Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Figma Scroll, only way. Immediately select the frame you want to scroll, then set overflow to vertical or horizontal to enable movement. Place content larger than the frame and enable clip content so only the frame area is visible while scrolling. Use constraints on child layers to lock positions during resize and test resizing to verify behavior across screen sizes. Start by wrapping content in an auto layout frame to maintain spacing and responsiveness while scrolling. Adjust padding and spacing to control scrollable area and avoid unexpected jumps when elements resize. Convert repeated items into components and instances to streamline edits and keep scroll performance smooth. Remember to test with different content lengths so the scroll behaves predictably when elements expand or collapse within the layout. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you prototype, with a spill-proof lid and easy carry design that fits most cup holders. It's a small thing that helps you stay focused during long design sprints. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Link scrollable frames in prototype mode to simulate navigation and anchored interactions during testing. Preview on a device or in the Mirror app to confirm touch scrolling feels natural and performance is acceptable. Avoid heavy smart animate on elements that scroll to prevent motion conflicts and reduce lag. If you need fixed headers or footers, place them outside the scroll frame so they remain visible while content moves beneath.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.